talk about which is your favorite milk. Is it chocolate milk or white milk? Let's see. If we like other milks, then we can just drink. We will show you our secret. But we don't need to drink only a colorful milk like chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, or something else. We just have to drink normal milk. If you want to drink a tasty milk, we can show you that tasty milk, and it is healthy also than the chocolate milk. I'm gonna get it right. I'm gonna get it all right for the good stomach. We can be healthy, strong, and wealthy, and we'll go long and healthy, wealthy. Now we will show you our favorite milk. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. It is
Wow!
turmeric milk. And
Which milk is this, Anjali and
it
Anya?
is sometimes garlic and turmeric. I know what it is. This is a turmeric and the garlic milk. In the morning we drink turmeric milk. In the evening we drink turmeric garlic and sometimes milk. It can also be yellow milk. Yellow.
Okay.
You can try this milk today. Only for today, not for every week. Today.
Okay, drink your milk and tell what are the benefits of drinking this milk.
Wait. Straw. Where did it get straw? No. It smells nice. It is tasty. Then the chocolate milk. It is so tasty. You can try this milk. It is so healthy. It's healthy. So tasty. It's same like lassi, yeah? It is so tasty milk. Then the chocolate milk. It is so tasty. Just like cheer up.
Is this healthy for your body?
I guess so. Bones also, mommy. What do you mean?
It makes your bones stronger,
Yeah.
healthier. Okay.
You can try this, children.
It boosts your immunity too.
Boost. Oh yeah, boost.
All right. Okay, enjoy your milk. Finish it.
Okay.
Why you are drinking milk while standing?
If we are drinking milk because it is good, it's very good. So then don't drink water by standing. Then you can't grow long. And your legs will be very small and tiny.
And milk we should drink while
standing because it makes us strong, not while sitting. And if we sit, then we can of course be tiny, same like the water. We can be. Look, guys, I'm gonna show you how we finish. It was so tasty. It was so tasty. If you like this milk, you can also drink 2 cups of milk if you want to. But only 2 cups, not 100 or something else. If you want to drink it a lot, you can get one big glass in it. You can fill. Yeah, fill it to the top. It is so tasty,
You can also
guys.
Try it today.
Yeah, try it today. If you try it today, you will every day like it a lot. And you will stop drinking chocolate or white milk. Guys, I want to say something. I'm taking that. Look, guys, what we bought.
It's so pretty, Ananya.
It's a cool glass tower. You can open too, look.
Okay, would you like to say now bye-bye?
Yes, we would love